we say lido. The second word is a verb, and it's to diphthongize, which means to turn or to change into a diphthong. And diphthongize, it's a 3-syllable verb. The first syllable, diph, should be stressed. I repeat, diphthongize. The third word is ailurophile. 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 It's a 4-syllable noun. It's a beautiful word, which means a cat fancier or a lover of cats. That's ailurophile. The second syllable, leo, should be stressed. We say ailurophile. Ailurophile. The fourth word is voracious. Voracious is an adjective. Voracious is a 3-syllable word. The second syllable, ray,